For this Niger, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go gist, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Niger, everybody get their own matter. For this Niger.
Carpenter, you see, there's something I want to say about refereeing La Ligas is not actually favoring Barca, but that's not the point. Vinicius. Yes, is he only the black person to play football? Hey now, you will just be shouting about racism. How about Victor Osimhen?
Pastor.
Yes.
Mama Soroba, it's not done. Why would you say that?
This one is too much now.
What about Balotelli? Have you forgotten his own time? They always bully him and at the same time they'll be throwing him banana.
No.
What about Samuel Eto'o?
But they flourished now without saying anything.
No.
They were
in pain.
You don't say you always give me joy.
It's not supposed to.
We look
say,
alike, eh?
Why are you shaking now? Pastor,
No,
I mean,
Vinicius.
Pastor. Well done. Isabia.
She's my good customer. She's my good customer.
Pastor, where's my money?
Because of 300.
Pastor. You know, say I know
Because of 300.
You know, say I know they like to they follow you fight. Emma to worry, Laro.
You don't carry your bad behavior again.
Don't wake mad person up this morning.
Just
Your silver that you are seeing is a very calm one this morning. Don't let us open the devil, please. My money, you know the transfer you did for me was fake. Oh yeah.
Imagine, the husband was not sweet though. I wasn't even thinking maybe the husband you sold for me was going to be sweet.
Pastor, Adomojinga was not sweet. Eh?
You say what I bought?
You say? Hey, Pastor, don't let me look your
I
eye.
want 300.
Don't let me look your eye, yo.
300 now.
Don't let me look your eye, yo. My blood on the auto.
My ticket remain one.
Shame you whine me. You dey whine me?
300.
Give this woman your money now.
Yes.
My ticket
Ó bàjẹ́ o. Ọlọ́run ó bàjẹ́.
She was supposed to.
You enter here, you didn't even greet us.
She's asking for 300.
Look at it. They say ladies first. You will greet a lady, then you will greet the gentleman. Oh, Kiwa, Okowole, you're asking for your money. How much? 300 naira.
300.
Who are you by the way and by the bush? Who are you? Show me pé mo wọlé mi ò dá sí I no follow you talk. I no look your side. I know you know now. You know so I don't like you. I don't like you. No bring me that better. Mo see it go. I mad go. The craze. Who be this one? Kenny, you know why I don't like him. Let me tell you why I don't like you now, so you know. You are the reason why I cried this thing around. You remember that case I told you? That man that do that 3 years old girl. He looked like the man. He looked like the man.
Don't argue with that. So what's the meaning of that now? Rubbish one here.
You should say no be.
Show you. I don't like that. Why will you say that now?
Now let me tell you people something. It's not by you can they don't know the right hand for face. You don't see that issue where happen. You not hear that issue. Yeah.
Just for me that before.
What is it now?
Febs abi fems.
Friends.
Now so that girl for TikTok, she talk say she no get work. She after school, work no really dey like that. Say okay she can't talk for TikTok say she dey find work. Now you one person come message her say make she can't do modeling work. Now so she carry her friend for security purpose. You hear now. So as she carry the friend go the place, so you know say that stupid boy, the boy wearing bright apple, no be actually any modeling agency. Now so he carry knife. The girl, the two of them, now so he rape both of them.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
But wait. I don't understand what is really happening. Pastor, maybe there was Skippy Scamper to that. That was something I'm thinking about.
For me, sorry, I said it before and I will say it again. It's because of animals like you. That's why I carry this thing around. Yes, because what is the nonsense you just said?
She got him one son. It's not
bad.
bad.
So that's why you're owing me more than 5,000 naira. Very stupid man. It's the same you that will tell me they can say lost like here in shop. One by me solo she. If everybody's talking here, are you supposed to open your mouth?
Time.
It's still you that come and meet me. You just keep on buying alley upon alley. He bought monkey tail the last time. He did not give me money. He will not tell me, let's go to the back of the shop. Let's go. Let me go and show you my power. Because I did not open your bum.
But all those one, I was just playing with you. Take a personal.
By the time the day your wife go come here, all these things.
What is wrong with
I
you?
go tell
That
her.
one is after.
Say, na for your mouth, they go
hear
just
about
say,
this.
grandma don't die.
Make I tell you something. Captain, that way he talks is waiting the year. I know they like it that thing because make I educate you because I know say some of you una don't stay for all these olden days mentality. The cause of say they use force sleep a person. No be say waiting the girl wear. No be say the girl is drink. No be say the girl get bad behavior. No be say the girl she dey do hookup. No be say the girl wetin and that wetin else the people dey talk. The only cause for bad behavior, the only cause for sexual assault na the abuser himself.
I dey tell you, my sister.
Make we no dey comot the blame, make we no dey distribute am because if na you that thing happen to, nobody go like am.
What about my own?
Yes.
Maybe that auntie CD, she used Indomie. That time Indomie just came out, so I went to her house.
How old were you?
I was in primary 6 now. Kí ló ń sọ? Mo mọ̀ kọ́kọ́ nígbà yẹn. Indomie ṣẹ̀ jáde and I had Indomie. She come and fry egg on top. As in, ìgbà tí mo rí jẹ tán, auntie CD now told me, súnmọ́ bí báyìí, come here. I don't know what is happening there now, but I couldn't tell my people.
See, let me tell you, this way you just talk to now, and that's the way they happen.
So we have high percentage of men too that are being sexually assaulted now.
So
that is not only women, no.
So you now mean say, see, if something bad and another thing bad, you know me say maybe they use the this one they justify the other. Maybe call both of them out. No be say now why it be say now when did they talk about say they do this kind of thing for woman? Now the only time you not gonna remember say this.
It is not our fault.
See, it is not your fault. See, it's got me everybody dey speak out.
Who will believe us?
Who will not believe
as
you?
you tell me now, I no believe you.
Who will not believe you?
No. As you tell me now, I no believe
Who
you.
will not believe you? If you come out that same moment it happened, if you had told your parent or something, you would like
Auntie CD is very big. I was very small then.
it
She
doesn't
say if
matter.
I talk, they will kill me.
As I get, now so they talk, all those abusers, now so they talk. Because we learn to always speak up. Maybe they learn to take care of our small people because they know they're safe in this country.
Now, what are they doing to that girl's case?
Take it, Jerry, as you reminded me. You know, say in useless family, you know, say they can't say they won't cover the case up. Guess how much they say they won't use cover?
20 million.
what are you saying?
That's what all this
No amount is enough to cover up this kind of case.
True.
No amount is enough
time.
because
If they give them maybe, like I said, maybe 50,000 naira.
Waiting this
That
one.
one is
You know,
something.
say for people like you, we don't dey poverty stricken.
I dey tell you.
All those kind of money go.
My
tax
sister.
you. But make I tell you something. They bring 500K.
For each person.
For the whole case. They say they want you 500,000 naira cover the case.
That one is big. It will do a lot of things.
We know people like you. But I'm just happy to say that at least the guy don't dey kiri like this.
Who's that?
Yes, na
Better.
there go stay.
No, so it's
By the
supposed to be.
special
May he
grace
just
of
die
God.
there. May he not come out again.
You know,
May he just die.
Yes, na.
May he just from there they fight. They go air fire. Cause
yes.
everyone no be your own.
But how about this Mirabel's case too?
Yes. I was watching
that
the
too
video.
untouched.
I watched it before my phone enter Agbo.
As you talk this thing like
They
my
don't
body
find the
just
person.
cold.
They don't find the person where do am.
This Charlie, the issue is going zigzag. What I heard actually is that, Mirabel was trying to I don't know, tell the public that someone raped her, someone sexually assaulted her, blah, blah, blah. They use blade to do whatever it is to her private part. And imagine, I can't just comprehend this. But as the case is going now, some people are saying that girl is lying.
She's
But I
lying,
believe,
though. Pastor, she's lying.
No.
Carpentine.
Why would you say
See,
that?
make I tell you
Why would you say?
something.
Why would you even say a woman, a girl like that, will wake up in the morning and start saying they do her this, they do her that, they do when this one.
They panic attack now. That's why they are not believing her.
Oh, no be by that. You say she dey lie. Abi. There's some things that they know they use mouth talk am. There's some lessons they know they use mouth teach. Now you go learn them by yourself.
Thank
The day they go bust your ash, everybody go talk say you dey lie. Too.
Exactly.
Yes. The day they go bust your ash, everybody go.
You want to beat her? You want to beat her?
Boss man.
You want to beat her? Let me mosquito. You want to?
Whatever something that here more. Don't ever tell me that again. What is the meaning of that?
Peace now. We are trying to say something here.
Sit down. My sister, please continue, Jare.
See, there's some cases that you just allow the rightful people to sort them. NGOs don't do on top of this matter. The Ogun State government said don't do on top of this matter. Even Lagos DVA said don't do on top of this matter. These people, when they teach them their job, when they teach them their job,
What are you saying now?
That man too is.
VDM na police,
My
he be
sister.
police.
What are you saying? You have said a lot about it. You even called the girl. He asked the girl some questions. The girl is taking drug.
See, in a
At the same time, they asked her, what happened to you? Or did anybody use blade to cut you? She now said, maybe it's her own finger that caught her there.
in a right society like this, imagine, may influencer, all the social media personalities, they're not supposed to get the opportunity to speak to victims of sensitive situation like this.
I'm telling you, my
People,
sister.
people VDM himself as he puts him out for this matter. He is supposed they're supposed to carry on because you don't they tamper with evidence now.
What are you saying?
They are helping now. These people are the people that the civilians run to.
The people that civilian, I wish Jenny Grow just collect that number at that time, because if not, VDM supposed to get relevance for now. Because he say he called the girl. The way people pay me for the issue, he say he called the ask the girl, say, do you have a video? Do you have a picture of the place that he said to? Does that make sense?
Swap the case.
Swap the case.
Yes,
Because
now.
totally, police supposed to know it. Police now they supposed to handle it. Let's just wait for the case because this is matter.
You know, say this country, they really work. Like VDM is just like a fast response. People wait. Police no go quick answer you.
See, I get you,
Yes,
because police so
why
as
now?
the VDM, all of them. Well, this country don't serve, don't
She a
tire.
lie. I'm parole.
You see that this is why I don't like you. Let me tell you something. In your brain, there are two sides. There's the left and there's the right. In the right, there's nothing left. And in the left, there's nothing right because you are just an animal. Okay, let me ask you a question. Shebi, you are a man, no problem. Let me ask you a question. Shebi, you have a daughter. Do you have daughter or not?
That's all right, I can hear you.
Now, imagine say you pie now. Say I give you a go, I kill you. You pie now. Your best friend, pastor, your best friend.
What kind of rubbish is that?
Yes! I'm not.
I don't think this. Everybody.
Calm down, Joy. It will still reach your turn. Now listen. Your best friend asked your daughter to come to the hotel. And she wants to tell people. That is how God will. People will start telling your daughter that she's a liar.
Yes.
I train my children very well. They cannot do that. I train my children.
I hear that gist though.
My sister.
This is just a vex.
Body just hurts me.
Imagine say you as Sabina, say me you drink silifa.
Make her poison and make
Where
go.
you go die like that now.
You calm down.
Calm down.
Pastor, what's the meaning of that?
Why would you use that example?
Allow me to talk now. No lie rest.
As you can't die now, may your trusted friend, your best friend, may come they tell your 13-year-old daughter say they come with her.
That's rubbish now.
Imagine 13-year-old.
Don't you have
30-year-old.
He say the girl come talk say when as I hear that voice, the girl this thing be say the girl don't plan am. Because not be the first time the man they follow her talk.
Don't they follow her talk since?
She they record the phone call because her phone call. So somebody there for like background, they tell her wetin she go talk. Now as the man tell her say make she come clinical that she should enter keke. When she get to that place, make she enter Okada. The girl want take say with which money? You know say this man say he go send her 1K.
No shilling. He's a very useless.
1,000
Say make she
naira.
enter keke. make-
Figure with G.
They was not telling the smoker that do you know of condom?
Condom.
That he will wear the condom, that the girl that they want to have nice time.
What is paining me? Our government, they are doing nonsense.
Yes.
See the right thing they're supposed to be doing, It may sound like as if I'm joking about it, but I'm very serious. Any man that is disturbing all these small children, they want to go down with them. Maybe they are caught in the act, or they are about to
You
do
never
it.
reach cut in
If they are about to do it, they will cut just one ball, they will come out them.
Which
But
ball?
the one under now,
Not the one the students play.
what are you saying? Then they
wetin
catch.
dey
No, now they are doing it in some
My
countries. What are you
sister,
saying? Then
look
they
at
catch them doing.
my
They've done
sister,
it. They take away.
me, Yasilifa.
As if it
Yasilifa one, the only agbo vendor in this neighborhood area.
everywhere.
Me, I know they wait for any government do anything. Me, Silifa Boshi Wanyan will be yala yeda. I've told her. Anybody that wants to send you message, anybody, tell them to ask your mommy for permission. Even if your mommy is in heaven, let them ask. Because in your call, somebody will not do me what I cannot do to somebody.
I should not send a message.
Pastor, they have not born you away. Let me tell you something. Because of people like you, my daughter does not go to school without having 2 knives in her bag. Yes, Silifa, bó ṣe wà yẹn, anybody, anyhow, chinchin.
Hey.
Me. Okay, did I tell you that I came to Lagos to pick beans? No.
But honestly, this issue, maybe the next day take care of our young ones, our children. Nigeria is just a nonsense country because they prey on this small picking.
Even the boys, my sister.
Yes, now
Even the
boys.
boys.
People
Is
say,
that why you were saying Amy Iyasilifa?
Emini, it's me. Ẹyẹ méjì ò ń jásà. Ẹyẹ méjì ò ń jásà. Ṣé kí n gbé méjèèjì sókè fún yín? It's me.
God forgive you. God forgive you.
Rubbish. My
Now,
sister,
wow.
even my son, as he is, I taught him, he's only 2 children I have. And I carry my children with so much pride. My children, my son, as he is like that, he dey go school with Tatagungu.
nah.
Yes. Make nobody try anything with my son. And he knows how to respect a woman.
That's what, yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That Nigeria, we make emphasis on training the female child. We always overtrain the female child.
forget
and
the
we
son.
undertrain the male child.
Me, I'm
Because-
training them. I'm training them. Like we used to do commando.
It's show for your body.
That is very well in the house.
It's show for your
training.
body.
Yes,
we
now.
train our male child to also respect women. Yes, may they also respect women. May they know how to collect no. May they know how to, if a woman talk no, may they
Make they
know it's
understand.
no.
You cannot force
see,
yourself.
Nigeria.
Then you know that there's one thing the government are not doing right. They don't have sense. Person that is about to do and person that have do, they're supposed to be punishment for
Even the person that is intending to do, all of them should be
okay,
punished.
like person that is about to do.
Even
Out
if-
of all these 2 balls that is here, they will take one. Then when he have do it, they will castrate him and take
There
it.
is no need for all that. We are people. Let us be moving around with preventive measures. You see me now. This one I carry. I get this thing for inside my wrapper. This one I just anybody will try anyhow. Boom, boom.
Hey.
My
You
son
have
yala
to
yali.
unify.
Oh, mommy now.
Ah.
You know me now. I know they play for here. What
You
my
want to
sister?
you want to just tire me, honestly.
Let that all do.
Silifa.
Pastor.
Is it not 300?
Pastor.
See, Pastor, just give her one.
Pastor. The gbado agbado. We collect agbado money from me and you today. Oh yeah. 1,
300.
Eh?
300 pé mi yoro bóyá kò ṣeré. Oh yeah. Gbé.
Take it easy on pastor. Take it easy on pastor.
Sorry, what? I'm coming back.
My
sister,
300.
see later.
Pastor, pastor.
300 naira.
Gbèsè ajẹni
Take it easy on
move.
pastor. Take it easy on pastor.
You no go help your friend.
Ọmọ kan tó fẹ́ ṣe fèmí gan ni.
For this Naija, we go still dey beg for better wahala.